In this fast-paced digital world, the opportunities to make money online are abundant. With the rise of artificial intelligence and language models like ChatGPT, individuals and businesses alike have discovered a powerful tool that can significantly enhance their online presence and boost their earnings. If you are looking to take your online ventures to new heights, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Let's explore the numerous benefits of using ChatGPT to make money online and how it can help you outrank your competitors in the virtual realm. Enhanced content creation. Unleash your creativity. Creating compelling and engaging content is essential for any successful online venture. Whether you are a blogger, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or a social media influencer, ChatGPT can be your trusted ally in crafting exceptional content. Here's how. Unlimited inspiration. ChatGPT can provide you with a never-ending stream of ideas and topics. It can generate creative prompts, suggest headlines, and even help you brainstorm content strategies. With its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT can act as your personal muse, fueling your creativity and enabling you to produce captivating content that stands out from the crowd. Impeccable grammar and style. No more worries about grammar slips or awkward sentence structures. ChatGPT's language proficiency ensures that your content is grammatically correct, coherent, and polished. It can help you fine-tune your writing style, adapt to different tones and voices, and create content that resonates with your target audience. Time-saving efficiency. Writing content from scratch can be time-consuming. ChatGPT can save you valuable time by generating drafts, offering suggestions, and providing alternative phrasings. It acts as a reliable writing companion, allowing you to focus on the core aspects of your online business while effortlessly producing high-quality content. SEO optimization. Reign over search engine rankings. Achieving higher rankings in search engine results pages, SERPs, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website and boosting your online visibility. ChatGPT can optimize your content for search engines and help you outrank your competitors. Here's how. Keyword research. ChatGPT can assist you in identifying the most relevant keywords for your niche and industry. By conducting in-depth keyword research, you can optimize your content to align with the terms your target audience is searching for, thus increasing your chances of appearing at the top of SERPs. Meta descriptions and title tags. Crafting compelling meta descriptions and title tags is vital for attracting clicks from search engine users. ChatGPT can provide you with engaging snippets and attention-grabbing titles that entice users to click on your content. Optimized content structure. ChatGPT can guide you in organizing your content in a way that search engines love. From utilizing proper header tags, H1, H2, H3, to incorporating relevant keywords naturally throughout your content, ChatGPT can help you optimize your content structure for improved search rankings. Social media mastery. Captivate your audience. Social media platforms have become invaluable channels for promoting products, services, and content. ChatGPT can empower you to conquer the social media landscape and captivate your audience. Here's how. Engaging social media posts. ChatGPT can assist you in creating attention-grabbing posts for various social media platforms. Whether it's an enticing caption, a persuasive call to action, or an informative snippet, ChatGPT's language prowess ensures that your social media content stands out and resonates with your followers. Hashtag optimization. Incorporating relevant hashtags in your social media posts can significantly expand your reach and visibility. ChatGPT can suggest trending hashtags, industry-specific tags, and even create custom hashtags tailored to your content. By leveraging the power of hashtags, you can attract a wider audience and increase engagement on your social media profiles. Social media advertising. Running successful social media ad campaigns is a powerful way to boost your online earnings. ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and recommendations for optimizing your ad copy, targeting the right audience, and maximizing your return on investment, ROI. With ChatGPT's expertise, you can create compelling ad campaigns that drive conversions and revenue. Personalized customer support. Enhance user experience. Providing exceptional customer support is crucial for building customer loyalty and driving repeat business. ChatGPT can revolutionize your customer support efforts and enhance the overall user experience. Here's how. 24/7 availability. With ChatGPT, you can offer round-the-clock customer support, ensuring that your users' queries and concerns are addressed promptly. Whether it's answering frequently asked questions or providing real-time assistance, ChatGPT can simulate human-like interactions and deliver personalized support at scale. Instantaneous responses. ChatGPT's ability to generate responses in real time enables you to provide swift and accurate solutions to customer inquiries. This enhances user satisfaction and builds trust in your brand, resulting in positive reviews, referrals, and increased conversions. Language adaptability. ChatGPT's language proficiency allows you to cater to a diverse audience. It can effortlessly handle customer support in multiple languages, breaking down language barriers and expanding your reach to global markets. Competitive advantage. Stay ahead of the curve. In the fiercely competitive online landscape, staying ahead of your competitors is paramount. ChatGPT equips you with the tools and capabilities to gain a competitive edge. Here's how. Innovative content strategies. With ChatGPT as your ally, you can stay updated on the latest content trends, emerging topics, and industry insights. It can help you identify content gaps, create unique and valuable resources, and position yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Data-driven decision-making. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT can analyze data, generate reports, and provide actionable insights. By making informed decisions based on data-driven recommendations, you can optimize your online business strategies and maximize your revenue potential. Continuous improvement. ChatGPT is constantly evolving and learning. As new updates and enhancements are introduced, you can leverage its ever-growing knowledge base to adapt and refine your online strategies. By embracing ChatGPT as a long-term partner, you ensure that you are always at the forefront of digital innovation.